What if I told you? A brand new open source AI model with only 21 billion active parameters can compete with models that are 2 to 5 times larger. That's exactly what Tencent is claiming with the official launch of Hy3. It combines fast and slow reasoning, supports a massive 256,000 context window, focuses heavily on coding and AI agents, and it's also one of the most affordable frontier AI models available. Even more impressive, just 1 week after its official release, Hy3 has already claimed the #1 spot on OpenRouter's global overall LLM usage leaderboard. Its preview version previously processed around 3.6 trillion tokens when it topped the chart, while the official Hy3 model has now surpassed 6 trillion tokens, nearly doubling its invocation volume in just a short period. But does it actually live up to the hype? In this video, I'll test Tencent Hy3 with several real-world prompts covering coding, reasoning, long context understanding, and agent workflows to see whether it's worth using. Let's get started. What is Tencent Hy3? Tencent officially released Hy3 as the successor to the earlier preview version. Unlike the preview, this is the production-ready model. Hy3 uses a mixture of experts, or MOE, architecture featuring 295 billion total parameters, 21 billion active parameters, a massive 256,000 token context window. Instead of simply building the biggest possible model, Tencent focused on maximizing efficiency while maintaining flagship-level intelligence. According to Tencent, Hy3 has been significantly improved in coding, reasoning, AI agents, instruction following, long context understanding, and tool use. Another major advantage is that Hy3 is completely open source under the Apache 2.0 license, allowing developers and businesses to use it commercially with very few restrictions. How to access Hy3 testing? Hy3 is very simple. I'm using it through OpenRouter. Just open the Hy3 model page, sign in, and select the free version. There's no complicated setup required. Developers can also integrate it using the OpenRouter API. Hy3 is also available through Tencent Cloud, Hugging Face, GitHub, and other open source platforms. Now let's see how it performs. Test 1, Coding Challenge. For the first test, I'll see how well Hy3 handles front-end development. Prompt: create a modern SaaS landing page for an AI productivity platform using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a responsive navigation bar, hero section, pricing cards, testimonials, FAQ section, smooth scrolling, dark/light mode toggle, subtle animations, and full mobile responsiveness. Generate clean, well-commented code. Run the prompt. Hy3 starts generating code almost immediately. Let's preview the result. The landing page looks polished. The navigation works correctly. Animations feel smooth. The design adapts well across different screen sizes. The JavaScript functionality works as expected, and the code structure is surprisingly clean. Compared to many open source models I've tested recently, this output requires very little manual editing. That's a very strong first impression. Test 2, Advanced Reasoning. Next, let's evaluate Hy3's reasoning capabilities. Prompt: a startup sells an AI subscription for $29 per month. Customer acquisition costs $120. Monthly churn is 5%. Server costs are $4 per user, and customer support costs are $3 per user. The company has a marketing budget of $250,000. Should it invest more in acquiring new customers or improving customer retention? Show all calculations, assumptions, possible risks, and provide a final recommendation. Run the prompt. One thing I notice immediately is that Hy3 doesn't rush to produce an answer. Instead, it breaks the problem into logical steps. It clearly explains every assumption, performs the calculations, compares different scenarios, and then reaches a well-supported conclusion. The reasoning feels structured rather than simply predicting the next sentence. That's one of the biggest advantages of Hy3, fast and slow reasoning approach. Test 3, long context understanding. Now let's test one of Hy3 headline features. Its 256,000 token context window. Prompt: analyze this large technical document. Summarize every major section. Extract the 5 most important insights. Identify all action items and answer detailed questions while referencing information from different parts of the document. Run the prompt. Even with a very large document, Hy3 maintains consistency throughout the conversation. It accurately remembers information introduced much earlier and references relevant sections when answering follow-up questions. For developers working with research papers, documentation, contracts, or massive code bases, this large context window could be extremely valuable. Test 4. AI agent workflow. Tencent specifically highlights Hy3's improvements for AI agents. Let's simulate an agent-style task. Prompt: act as a product launch manager. Create a complete launch strategy for a new AI coding assistant. Include market research, competitor analysis, feature roadmap, development milestones, marketing strategy, content calendar, budget allocation, launch timeline, risk analysis, KPIs, and a final execution checklist. Run the prompt. Instead of producing one long paragraph, Hy3 organizes everything into logical sections. Each stage builds naturally on the previous one. The final output is detailed enough that a real team could actually use it as a starting point. This demonstrates why Tencent places so much emphasis on agent capabilities in this release. Pricing and open source. Another area where Hy3 stands out is pricing. According to Tencent, input tokens cost only 1 Chinese yuan per million. Output tokens cost 4 Chinese yuan per million. Cached input costs just 0.25 Chinese yuan per million. For developers building production applications, these prices are highly competitive. Combined with the Apache 2.0 open source license, Hy3 becomes an attractive option for startups, independent developers, and enterprise teams looking for a powerful yet affordable model. Final thoughts. After testing Hy3, I think Tencent has delivered one of the most interesting open source AI models released this year. The biggest strengths I noticed are excellent coding performance, strong logical reasoning, a huge 256,000 context window, well-structured responses, competitive pricing, open source availability under Apache 2.0. The fact that it has already reached the #1 position on OpenRouter's global LLM usage leaderboard and surpassed 6 trillion tokens shortly after launch also shows how quickly developers are adopting it. Of course, every AI model has strengths and weaknesses depending on your specific workflow. So the best way to evaluate it is by testing it yourself. If you're looking for an efficient open source model for coding, automation, AI agents, or processing large documents, Tencent Hy3 is definitely worth trying. That's my hands-on review of Tencent Hy3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI model you'd like me to test next. You can also try Hy3 yourself using the official OpenRouter link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.